Welcome to another video and episode on my walking robot Mirft2, based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python. I wanted to set everything up again with 2 battery packs to make sure that it at least has a bigger surface to get in touch with the touch sensors, which are connected to the interface via probes visible on your oscilloscope, with some peaks running around, so that all looks fine. But before I can log into the interface or into the controller, I must acknowledge still the SSH connection, and there lies the problem right now, because I could log in but I have a grey screen. With my other TXT model that is no problem, but since this is a different firmware version, newer, I still have to deal with it. So this is not leading to anywhere, so I shut it down and hope for a better start now. This looks fine, but will it end up fine? That is the big question. All we can do is wait, and so far it seems alright. And it is alright. So I am going to I need to be in the FT GUI, the original user interface, before it can run. So I will first log in and see then if it accepts the login. Yes. Now I'm accepted. Giving the password and I'm in, and now I have to go to the original user interface. And why that doesn't work, I don't know. It seems that it doesn't work at all right now. Well, this works, but this is not the intention. So let's go back here. No. Alright. So expect the unexpected. Why isn't this working? And yes, this is an example of things that can go wrong, as I have had many situations that are unexpected. So I'll try again and again and again until I'm there. So, as may be expected, just a few seconds after finishing recording of the part 1 I managed to get everything working. So here we are with ready to run code, oscilloscope with the nice pulses, and a battery pack stapled, well, not stapled, stacked is the better word, in front of a sensor. The probes are right here around the edge of the image, and first I want to know if they are actually being sensed, because last time that was the question as well. So let me start ROBOPro. Yes, and yes, still there. Alright, so that is one. Yep, they work. Very good. That is exactly what I wanted to see. So this is very important. Disabling this screen. Let's see if things can work now. The point is, of course, that I'm not doing this for nothing, because I want to see if these sensors are touching something. Is it being recorded by the camera? That is a very important thing. I want to see that. Not necessarily a course correction, just observing what hit the sensor. And in order to do that, I can say, alright, take the image, which is already being done. So if sensor is being hit, then just take an image. Well, in this way it always takes an image, except that when it is 0, there's just printed no front sensor, and that was last time as well. So what to do? Well, let's first run and see whatever happens. And of course I set the copying system quite right, so let's see if it actually shows something. Pick is done. Yeah, okay. But there is no walking yet. Why isn't there any walking? That is something I don't get. Okay, let's observe. So it looks for a status. Modus initialize, set distance. Set speed, very important. It has to go the right way. So it should be running. Then what? 50. No, I don't think so. Set distance is 1200. Okay, so why doesn't it walk? Indeed, why doesn't it walk? It moved for a moment. And right now it doesn't do a thing. Alright, let's quit this, because right now I have probably quite a lot of images. Yes. I don't care about the grey images. I want the real images. Using right, and then 33. This one. Well, as you can see here, it does show battery pack and stuff behind, whatever, but it doesn't work. So actually it would see what it hits. Important. Be it just a corner, but it would hit it, so that's, and like this you can already see what happens. Yes, it's being detected, but I need it to walk. So why doesn't it walk? So what to do? One of the things I should do is make sure that, despite it not really walking in the previous segment, or just a very little, make sure that it does stop. So this. The same thing should happen. Let's see. Right here actually. So 2 lines go here. However, since this is a motor thingy, it should be, and I think that is the problem, it should be a bit in sync data block. So this one goes here, and then of course here as well. And then it will go here. And here as well. That's one thing. So it says, okay, front sensor 2, and then stop the motors. However, that has little use when it doesn't work in the first place. So let's save this one and go back to walking. And see whatever happens. Now it should walk. Make a picture, grab a frame and keep walking, except when it hits the front. Right, and here we have that point again. Let's go again. Connected, very good. And we could go out with a bang. Yeah, no front sensor, it doesn't walk. Okay, I want it to walk. It didn't even walk, come on. Oh, now I see what is going on. I notice what is going on, the display is flashing. So it doesn't do a thing. That is not good. So with here, no, I wanted to, yeah, I can copy things, but I don't see it walk. And here it does say first walk then grab a picture. Camera connected, fine. I need it to walk. Why doesn't it walk? It is in the correct graphical user interface, so it needs to walk, it should walk. It grabs pictures, okay, and so what does it do? A lot of images, and let's display TXT image 948 37. Yeah, correct. Actually, but let's just do it. And get this. So, and okay. Let's do this. Let's grab it while the sensor is being touched. I have to get it working somehow. So now another test. It should capture the front sensor. But how will it respond? Will it push it away? What is this? Time out while getting a new frame from the camera. It is presetting for getting power loss. Come on. It is in a correct display, but the display is filtering or is blinking, whatever. Right. Maybe I just need to replace the battery. On the other hand, this display is what I need to use. So actually the whole setting is correct. So what's that anyway? Really can't tell. Time out while getting a new frame. Let's try once again. And then I will replace the battery. Hopefully before it's too late. Time out. Okay. I'm going to replace battery. Yeah. Unfortunately, I was just a little bit too late, so I had to restart and do everything again. And I still have to go to the user interface. Yes, that's it. So now I should be able to do it, and if everything is alright, I can grab pictures again. So by all means, let's do it again, or something anyway. Yeah, and there it goes. But look what here happens. That is exactly what happened last time. It doesn't respond to the front sensor. So I can just as well end this. This is not good. So how are things implemented? That's a very good question. Right, so here we have TXT input 1, TXT input 2. Front 1, front 2. And they are really those, let's make sure that they really are those sensors. Yeah, that is correct, and that one is correct too. Alright. So one is at least one of the sensors. So putting everything back in order, this is clearly the result of the battery pack touching the sensor if you look at the oscilloscope image. So I'm kind of worried. Why are things not being detected? If things is 1, if things is so 0. Okay. Let's check again. I3, yes, definitely, right here. Then I2, most definitely. So it does work. Then how come the front sensors are not being detected anything, anyhow, anyway? Let's test with the other one. This is a pretty bad situation. Network error. Yep. Please walk. Push it away. No, I want it to walk. First walk. Just like it did just walk. I hear the beginning of walk, but it doesn't complete it. Why? Why oh why? So this is a nasty issue, a very annoying issue. As you can see, the sensor is completely again touched by the battery pack, and that is also shown right here. The yellow line is entirely flat. So what's happening. Why doesn't it walk frequently? It did push it once when it was right here. Well, let's just check again. Hopefully it pushes it away. But then again, it did push it away, but it didn't find the sensors, and when that doesn't happen, it doesn't stop. So once again, mind the display, does it flicker or not? Does it blink? Network error. And no picture taken. So I guess that is when there is a network error, there is no picture taken. Now it should happen any moment. Nope. Because it immediately asks for a picture and it should walk first. And this is going to be annoying. Camera connected. And once again it asks for a password for the picture. And it says no front sensor 1. But what does it say about the second front sensor? It does detect it. It does detect it. That's one positive point. So now I want to try here. Alright. Wow. I did hear sound. That has been a long time ago. And it stopped the algorithm. I'm back at the prompt. Okay, let's do it again. What happens? Probably an anvil. Ooh, look at that. Wow, but okay, I stop it. It was nice to happen. But what about the sensor? No front sensors. Okay, back here. So what happens? Network error again. Okay, let's stop this and another try. Nope. It says a front sensor is detected. So why does it detect this one and not this one? Okay, let's continue. Again, sound. So there is a... Alright, this is mysterious. Really mysterious. So it does... here it is being pushed away but doesn't stop. Here sensors are not being detected. Sound plays here, not here. And one other thing, now that I look at it, only one sensor is being touched, but on an oscilloscope both are flat. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm afraid more answers than questions. More questions than answers, of course. Not the other way around. More questions than answers. Enough to continue and investigate why things go wrong. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like. Follow me on Twitter. Retweet and like, leave a comment. Follow me on Instagram. Like and give a comment. Quite a few do that. I really appreciate it. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name being mentioned as a supporter of my videos. And more information on my website and at the front or at the start of this video. And this is going to be continued. Bye bye.